Hello guys. So if you're facing an issue where your credit card is getting declined in PayPal, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now firstly, what you have to do is just simply open your PayPal and see whether the criteria that I'm going to show you right now are fulfilled or not. So now there might be multiple reasons why your credit card is getting declined. The first reason might be you haven't confirmed your email address, or you may not have updated your expiration date or billing address, or you may have not updated or confirmed your credit card and debit card details, or you haven't linked your bank account or confirmed your bank account. So as you can see, there are multiple reasons. If you scroll down over here, you will find more reasons over here. So it might happen if you haven't added your debit card or credit card properly, or you haven't linked your bank account. So these are the reasons. So check if these reasons are met or not. If not, so just simply see that any of these reasons are causing your getting your credit card declined. So if that's not the case, just simply go to the PayPal official site and scroll down and click on the contact over here and contact the PayPal support team, and they will help you with that issue. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.